Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from ECS Laboratory. In the following project, we are going to use Arduino Uno jumper wires, buzzer, ultrasonic sensor, breadboard box and LEDs. First we stick breadboard in box. It is the transmitter and it is the receiver who receives the sound frequencies. Then we connect ultrasonic sensor on breadboard. Connect the VCC pin of ultrasonic sensor to 5 volt on Arduino. Connect the trick pin of ultrasonic sensor to pin number 10 on Arduino. Connect the echo pin of ultrasonic sensor to pin number 9 on Arduino. Connect the ground pin of ultrasonic sensor to ground pin of Arduino. Then we connect LED on breadboard. Connect the negative pin of LED to ground of Arduino Uno. Connect the positive pin of LED to pin number 12 of Arduino. Connect the negative pin of buzzer to ground pin. Connect the positive pin of buzzer to pin number 2 on Arduino. Then connect the data cable to Arduino. Then close the lid of box. Stick the buzzer on box. Then we connect the USB cable of Arduino to CPU for programming purpose. Then we upload the program to Arduino. The uses of this project is it can be used in lockers, it can be used in doors, in parking cars.